everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Do you log in your leads details in Google Sheets and you want that every time you add the data, or if you have created a list of all the leads, you want to add all the leads as a contact in your Brevo account, and adding individual bulk leads manually is a time consuming task for you? Then this video is just for you, because in this video from my Google Sheets I will upload bulk contacts in my Brevo account. So without wasting any further time, let's dive into the creation of this amazing setup. I will be creating this workflow using Pabbly Connect. In order to access Pabbly Connect, on a new tab search for pabbly.com/connect, and the landing page of Pabbly Connect is going to appear in front of you. Now if you're a new user, you can simply sign up for free from here, using which you will get 100 free tasks, and using the 100 tasks you can create the setup right away, test it out absolutely for free. And if you like using Pabbly Connect and you want to automate your other business workflows as well, you can purchase our yearly or lifetime plans to get instant unlimited tasks. Now if you want instant discount on the purchase, you can check out the code. It's just for you. I've added this code in the description section and on the left side of my screen right here. Go ahead, use the code, and then simply purchase our plan, automate your business workflows. I have already created an account and I've already logged into my account. Then you will come to the dashboard just like this. In order to create a workflow, go to this create workflow option. I will be creating this new workflow using AI. So I will select this option of create using AI. Now using AI feature, just you have to enter the prompt what you want exactly, and according to the prompt, AI will generate the workflow just for you. So what I want to add the contacts in my Brevo account from my Google Sheets. So that is what I'm going to write over here. So this my prompt, add contacts to Brevo from Google Sheets. Okay, so I will send this prompt towards this AI. AI will analyze my request. In my Google Sheets, when a new or updated spreadsheet row is going to happen, automatically in my Brevo, a contact should be created. So I've selected the events accordingly. You will see the recommended option according to it. And you will see the workflow Google Sheets to Brevo has been created. I will approve this workflow and open this workflow. The workflow is created by AI, and now you can see the setup. Just create the connections. Simply open the trigger Google Sheets, copy this URL from here and open the spreadsheet that you need to connect. Go to extensions, add-ons, and get add-ons option. You will come to this window. On this window, on this search apps bar, you have to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Select this option. Install this application in Google Sheets. After installing, go back and refresh the spreadsheet once. Remember to do that. As you have done that, go back to extensions. You will see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks, on which select the option of initial setup, where this dialog box of initial setup is going to appear in front of you, which is going to ask for the webhook URL and the trigger column. For the webhook URL field, I will paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us, and for the trigger column, it says the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. In this spreadsheet, my trigger column is column C, because as soon as the data of the phone number of my lead is added, the entire row's data should be forwarded towards this URL. So that is my trigger column is going to be column C. I'm going to click on the submit button. I've already created the list of all my leads in my Google Sheets. So in order to send the data of this first lead right over here, I'm going to simply click on the send test button. As soon as I will do that, the first data that is added in your Google Sheets row is going to be forwarded towards this URL. Okay, I'll show you the data first, but before that, one last step is left. That is, go back to extensions and Pabbly Connect Webhooks and click on this option of send on event. Not just the number of contacts that I've added in this Google Sheets. If you want that whenever a new contact is also added inside your Google Sheets, that person, the leads data, should be created as a contact in a Brevo account as well. That is why I click on this send on event option, so that instantly that new leads data will be forwarded towards the trigger, and then the contact is going to be added. Okay, so that is why I click on the option. The connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect has now been done. So if I'll refresh this page from here, you will see the response has been captured in the trigger. It says test account. This was the phone number, and the email is test@pabblytudes.com. Check out the same number with the details has been forwarded. Test account test@pabblytudes.com with this phone number. So as now the lead's response has been captured in the trigger, Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now let's add this lead where? In our Brevo account. Okay, for that let's set up this action. I will click on this connect button, create a new connection from here. Over here, the domain is already entered. Let's enter the API key. To have the API key, go towards this hyperlink directly. You will come to the API section of your Brevo account. Create the new key from here. For the new key, I'll write over here as new lead contact as the name of the key. Generate the key from here. Simply copy the token, paste it down in the field and save this step. And the connection between Brevo and Pabbly Connect is going to be created. Now we have to enter the email address of our contact. For the email address field, I will map the data. Where you want to map the data, add a slash right there and search for the email address. And this is the lead's email address, and I want to add this lead as a contact in my Brevo account. So I will select the data of the email address of my lead from my previous response. Now, as I've selected the data from my previous response, data in this field has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response of a lead is going to be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. Do you want to use email blacklisted? I will select over here as false, and for the SMS blacklisted, I will select as false. In which list I want to create this contact? List is created in the name of lead, so I will select that list from here. Update enabled, I will select over here as true. Now it is asking for the last name and the first name of my lead. I have received the name of my lead. You can see together, first name and the last name. So now let's separate the last name and the first name from this workflow itself. Save this step from here. Go back, add an action step in which for the action application, select text formatter by Pabbly. And the event is going to be split text. Click on this connect button. Map the data of the name on this text to split right over here. So I'll map the data of the name. Separator is going to be the space between the first name and the last name. So I'll enter the separator and I want both of the things. First name and the last name. So I'll select the segment as all. Click on the save and send test request button. First name and the last name has been splitted. Okay, now go back. Now we'll map the data of this text that we have edited in place of the first name and last name. So I will search for this, map the data right over here, last name. And then I'll map the data of the first name. Okay. SMS is the phone number. So I'll map the data of the phone number that I've received. Then it is asking for amount, which I do not want. So I'll skip the part. Notes, no, I don't want that. For the title, I'll write over here as new lead. Now it is asking for opt-in. I will select over here as true. WhatsApp, I'll map the data of the phone number that I've received. So let me do that. Then it is asking for all the other things which I do not want, so I'll skip the part and click on this save and send test request button where I've received this ID, which is a positive response. And if I'll refresh the contacts page of my Brevo account from here, you will see automatically a contact test account with the phone number, first name test, last name account with the same phone number has now been added inside my Brevo account. So as now this contact has been added successfully, this means that you can see the email address is test@pabblytudes.com. This means this setup has now been created. Now I want to add bulk contact. That means all the contacts in my Brevo account. Now how can I do that? I don't have to set up the entire workflow again and again. Simply after creating the setup, remember to create the setup first. After completing the entire setup, you can see in my contact section only one contact is created. Let me show you the magic now. I'm going to go back to extensions and Pabbly Connect webhooks. After creating the setup, click on this option of send all data. This spreadsheet is going to send entire data towards this amazing automation setup that you have created. One by one, the workflow is going to process all the leads details from here and the contacts in your Brevo account is going to be created. Let me refresh this contacts page from here and you will see one by one every lead has been created as a contact in your Brevo account. You didn't have to add any of the details manually. Every single contact was automatically created using this amazing setup. Now like this, you can also create bulk contacts in your Brevo account from your Google Sheets. Now if you want the entire template of this workflow, you can check out the workflow link in the description section. The code is also right there, copy it from there. And if you have any other questions or doubts related to this amazing setup, comment on below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.